I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Jomso saree unboxing, and this is a highly requested video, not sponsored one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. So this is how Jomso does its packaging. Really good. And this is the saree I ordered. It's a replica saree. I think Deeksha Shetty was wearing this. So it came in this transparent bag. It's just a plastic cover, guys, and this is what I ordered. I hope my camera is focusing that. And this is the saree. First, let's see the blouse fabric. This is it. This is how it came. It comes in this maroonish pink color, and the fabric used here is Bangalore silk. It's not very see-through, but still you will have to get a lining attached, and the fabric looks like a very good quality one. And there's no design at all. It's just a plain fabric. They have provided around 0.80 meter of fabric, which is a standard size. It comes in this cream color, and the fabric used here is net, and they've given this beautiful rose embroidery with like green leaves, and there's this booty designs as well. So this is the bottom part of the saree, and to the extreme bottom they've given the same contrasting blouse color lace, and then this white or cream colored lace. And here if you see, they've given this silver, cream and pink embroidery work, and they have the same embroidery work on the lower part of the saree. And let's see the pallu now. So this is the pallu. Again, it comes with the same design, floral design, flower design. It has a silver design as well. If you see, there's a little shine over here, and the booty design is all throughout the pallu. So very beautiful. And on the other side, guys, if you see the stitches over here, you will not even see any stitches. It's that neatly made, and the finishing is really good. If you see here, the embroidered stitches is also very well made. And in case if you want to wear like heavy jewelry, heavy bangles, or a lot of hanging bangles, then you can go, because this is not going to get stuck with this kind of embroidery design. So it's really good. Now what I really like about Jomso is that they provide this fabric for the petticoat. So there is around 2 meters of fabric for the petticoat, so you don't have to go in search of finding the exact matching color petticoat for your saree. So you can get it stitched. That's the best thing. Coming to the comparison now, if you see the picture that is shown in their website and what I received, it's like exactly same, 100% same. Like you don't see any changes other than the blouse. Blouse is just a fabric. She has got it stitched like this, really cool. Maybe I would try the same design or something else. And I would like to rate it 5 on 5 because the fabric is good, the embroidery detailing is good, the finishing is good, the fabric, the net fabric is very soft, not at all rough in your skin. And the best part is they've provided a petticoat fabric which is like a thumbs up. And now coming to the price, the original price of this was 3,890 rupees, and the discounted price is just 1,890 rupees, which I think is very reasonable. In case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in in the description box. You can check it out. And if you're new to my channel and if you don't know about Jomso, then let me tell you guys, Jomso sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear, starting from kurtis, sarees, lehengas, whatnot. And placing an order is very easy. You can either go to their website, which is jomso.com, or you can WhatsApp them. They do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and return is also very easy. In case if you don't like a product, or if you receive a defective product, you need not worry. You can what you'll have to do is within 7 days you'll have to mail them, and they're going to accept and arrange for return and going to give you credit note. And most of you ask me about the delivery timings. Now I get my product within 5 to 7 days of ordering it, so you can actually even in the website they've written that it will take 7 to 10 days for delivery. So I think 10 is the maximum day they take to deliver your product. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.